Hello friends, this is Kavita Agrawal. Welcome you to Jai Ambe Silk Mills. Our shop is at Jai Ambe Silk Mill, shop number 1016 and 17. We are the manufacturers of dyed work, simple plain sarees work, cotton sarees work, dola silk work. Every collection you are able to see at our shop. We are dealing with only sarees. So today I am showing you our one of the best collections in the video. Request you all to see whole video and also to subscribe it and click on the bell icon. Okay, let's start with the first collection. This is a cotton saree with digital print and also a satin patta. You can see in the satin patta the designs are also given here. Print is also given here. In this saree you will be able to see 15 colors and 100 plus designs. Okay, so just want to see this more collections, you can WhatsApp on the given number or you can call us. How beautiful this saree is, how rich look it gives you. The next collection I will be showing you is Banarsi. This is a Banarsi print saree. Okay, it's a proper weaving. The golden work you are able to see is proper weaving. In this you will be also giving 15 colors and 100 plus designs. Now there is a festival season, so you can wear this saree. It's very light weighted to handle and it looks very rich. See, traditional touch this gives you to the saree. You can see the blouse also in this saree and a heavy rich pallu. See how the rich pallu is given here. It's very beautiful, very fine printed is given here. And the border, you can see the border, how heavy border it gives you upper and down both sides. Here upper you can see the small border and down you can see the brown border, which gives a 5-star to the saree. And middle there is a patchwork given over there. It's totally weaving, hand weaving has done. Banarsi silk. See how beautiful the saree looks. There are many colors in this saree. See the blouse. This is the blouse. Sleeves have been given bordered. Bordered sleeves are given here. Friends, I request you to see all the video till last and also to subscribe our collections. You are able to see many colors and many designs with us with a very reasonable rate because we are the manufacturer in Surat. See the collection. This is also one of the collections of Banarsi silk. In India we call it Baltin. See how beautiful the saree is. In the pallu there is a peacock print given which gives a traditional touch to the saree. There are two-tone saree which is one pink and blue. The deadly combinations gives a standard look to the saree. Just have a look. See the border given down and the print given in the middle. All over there is a full heavy look. Newly bride also can wear it, or such as in the parties also you can wear it. See how beautiful the saree looks. See the blouse. Rich print look blouse has been given with a contrast color pink. The border given down and also the upper side. So now we will going to the another collections which is a print, soft print fabric. Okay, so let's start it. See the color, how nice color it is. Totally English color which is a grey color, and also the border given here is of stone. The matching contrast lace has been given here with a stone, and also look the print overall here. It gives a fabulous look. Now we can open it and see. In this saree, see the blouse over this saree, which is a printed blouse. The person, my friends, if you want, you can take 1 or 2 sarees also. You can order us, and if anyone wants to do business over there, they can also contact us. See how beautiful this saree is. All over it's a printed saree. In this you will be getting many designs and many colors over it. The prints you will be getting many prints in this. See how beautiful the saree is. Next we will see our more collections in soft. Just have a look over there. We are able to see Swarovski's work. See how beautiful it looks. And also we're given a tie at the sides. The knots has been given at the side. You can see it. See how beautiful print. Light and dark deadly combination. The digital flower prints has been given over here and down it's printed sari. See how beautiful sari. In this you will be getting many colors and many designs. See how beautiful it looks. The blouse is over is printed with a 9-meter lace. With a 9-meter full lace. Next we are going to see our Swara Sangam collection. Its fabric is Rangoli. See. It's Black Beauty. The color, see how fabulous it looks. Black Beauty collection. We said it. See. In this you will be getting many designs and many colors. The blouse you can see is also very good and also it's 9-meter lace. If you wear the blouse like this, it's very beautiful color in this. Next we will see Brasso. Nowadays there are print sarees going with Brasso. Printed with Brasso. Its lace is totally heavy Banarsi lace has been given down. Properly weaved saree. See how beautiful it looks. Double design saree it is. You can see double design saree. This is the blouse and this you can see many designs and many colors in it. See, there are many different designs and many different colors. Next we will go with Cocktail Brasso, which is totally party wear saree. See, with a simple and sweet jhalar given at the side. How beautiful it looks. Properly golden viewed. Brasso with a digital print. Beautiful colors. In every sarees friends you will be getting 15 colors and 100 plus designs. For more collections and for more designs you can contact on the given number by WhatsApping us, by doing the video call, WhatsApp call or normal call. See the blouse it is. One more saree is the printed blouse and the saree will be plain of satin saree. We are getting many colors and many designs in the blouse. Now see the saree which I have worn is totally a Gujarati and a Marwadi taste, which we called it bandhej. Okay, it's very light weighted. You can see by doing the job also or by doing the work also, I am wearing this saree. It's very light weighted and very beautiful look it gives. Totally a touch to an Indian collection or Indian traditions. In this there are many colors. You can see. I have wear which is have checks and this you will be getting a circle design. And colors, see. There are many colors. If you want I can show you the colors also. There are blue, there is green, there is yellow and many more. So friends, I can't show you more collection in this small video. So guys, thank you for watching my channel and my video. So request you to subscribe it and see all the collection. If any queries has been at your mind, you can contact on the given number. Thank you.